Hey all, in the vineyard today, it's Eric Jensen, Booker Wines. Going to show you guys a little bit about what we're doing right now with shoot thinning. So now you can see the plants running, right? The sun's out, guns out. So these shoots are growing very rapidly. This is what I just like to call a vertical cordon. These plants are straight up and down. This is a system used widely in France, a lot of places. Some people tie it up, some people form a teepee, but I just like it cordon up. The hot part of the day is going to be over my left shoulder at about 2 o'clock right to here. So I want to make sure I have shade protection there. So when I come up here, I want it 2 per spur. So that's the spur, and this is a shoot right here. And as you can see, then there's the clusters that are going to grow off of that shoot. So that's a future cluster. We don't know if it's going to set yet, but we like what we see so far. So I'm going to come up and lead 2 here, get rid of that one. I really wish one of these 2 was right here for that afternoon sun. So that's kind of a bummer. I'm going to come down to this one, and I see 1 and 2. I'm going to keep those 2, so I got 2 and 4. I don't want to get too crowded though. So if they start to crowd, when I come back, I'll pull one of them off. Here, I've got 2 more. I need this one badly because that's going to shade everything up here with those leaves. So now I've got 6 with this. If there's anything down here, I want to get rid of it. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Over here, there's 2 coming off, right? This one back here, no need. It's getting 2 up the middle. It's going to grow into everything. So I'm going to stay with 1 right there. So now I've got 2, 4, 6, 7. I go down here, 8, 9. They're in the back. I'm bummed, but oh well, they're on the north face. I probably should try to keep this one and let it grow up for protection. So I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to relieve some of this back pressure here. I'm going to get rid of this one because there's a lot back here. And I'm going to let this one come up the front to act as a shade barrier, right? So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 right here. So I've got 2 here. Let me make sure there's no crap. Nope. I got a couple little things down here I'll clean up, get rid of that. These are gorgeous. This one I'll direct up the middle also to create sunlight. This one's heavy and big and strong. It'll grow out here, which will keep the morning, hot days of the morning till about 11 o'clock. This one will keep this side very nice. This one, and maybe this one. Well, actually, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of the fruit on that. I'm just gonna let this one take off as a shade barrier if this and this don't grow tall enough. I really want that shade barrier to protect all these. So that's it. And then if it shatters badly, we're kind of screwed because we didn't leave a lot of protection. But if it doesn't shatter, we'll drop this bottom cluster and just keep this one. So we'll have 11 clusters on this plant. If it shatters, we'll keep all these clusters, and we'll end up in this block with 275 to 375 tons on this block by calculations. We also shatter this block, so we want it to shatter a little bit. Shatter means when it sets, not all those potential berries, those flowers set, so you get a berry, instead of all these berries on top of each other. Something happens when the actual process of flowering turns into a berry, and a lot of different things can go on, but I'm not going to get complicated with you. Let's just say a lot of those berries do not set, so maybe only half of them do. We really like that when we get good shatter naturally, but we also try to induce it ourselves. So that's for Grenache. I just like to call this a vertical cordon. You're not going to see many of them in the state of California. Next, we'll go do a cane prune. That's it.